evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 30%. Heat index values in the lower 90s early in the evening. And for Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s.
The current time is 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At 10 a.m. at Wheeling, it was fair. Temperature 74, dew point 56, relative humidity 53%. Wind north at 5 miles an hour. Pressure 30.30 inches and rising. At Zanesville, it was mostly sunny. Temperature 77, dew point 61, relative humidity 57%. Wind calm. Pressure 30.30 inches and rising. Weather conditions across Ohio: Columbus mostly sunny 77 degrees, Akron mostly sunny 73, New Philadelphia mostly sunny 76, Youngstown partly sunny 71, Cleveland mostly sunny 76, Worcester mostly
Begin weekly alarm test.
National Weather Service. You are listening to NOVA Weather Radio in Bridgeport, Ohio. 162.525 megahertz. The preceding tone signals are a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11:15 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWF35, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Channel, Columbiana, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Tuscarawas, and Washington. And these counties in northern West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, Ohio, Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Wetzel, Wirt, and Wood. And finally, these counties in southwestern Pennsylvania of Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast.
At 10 a.m. at Wheeling,